Hello, if you're wondering if you can remove all DM messages at once from your Discord DM chat, then the answer is unfortunately no, there is no way to remove all of the DM at once. However, you can press and hold Shift in order to open the additional options for your message, and then you can click Delete in order to smoothly and more quickly remove your messages. However, you cannot remove messages that have been sent by your friend in your DM. So for instance, over here I have messages from my other account and I cannot remove them. Even if you right click the message, there is no way to delete the message. You have to ask your friend to remove that. However, you can also close the DM, so you can right click the person and then you can press close DM. But at the same time, if you reopen the DM, then of course all the messages will be back again. So while it is not removing, it is at least hiding from the DM list. If you want to hide messages from a friend, you can also block the person. So if you block, then of course the messages will be hidden. So that's the only thing that you can do in terms of removing DM messages. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.